Okay, good afternoon, one and all. So, until yesterday, we had completed 2 chapters from our syllabus. So, this is another new chapter from our syllabus. Chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. Union government. What is that? Union government. Chapter number 3. Union government. So, articles 52. Articles 52 to 151. Article it will begin 52 to begin to 52 and 151 and the 151 part fifth. So we have the from the this third chapter uh, from these topics majorly one the president of India and vice president of India, prime minister of India and cabinet ministers and Supreme Court powers and functions, high court, high court. So these all topics we have the from the third chapter. So remaining attorney general, elections commissions. This remaining topic will be there, but actually we have the elections commission. The new topic it was added by this academic from our syllabus. So we will discussing today some interesting topic of the third chapter. So you can write first of all here. Uh, it is a president of India. President of India. So, President of India. President of India. President of India. Articles 52 to 62. Part 5th. Part 5th. So, you can write the Bharat ki Rashtrapati. Bharat ki Rashtrapati. So, you can write the incumbent now presently you can write that it is a Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind. So since 25th July 2017. So appointed electoral college third point term length 5 years term length 5 years. And next fourth point you can write here. Fourth point inaugural holder. Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. 1952 to 62. Formation 26 January 1950. Salary 5 lakhs. So before beginning of this new chapter from the our syllabus, it is a union government. So this union government we will discussing by step continually from the president of India and vice president of India and prime minister of India and cabinet ministers powers and functions and also Supreme Court powers and functions and state high court powers and function and another topic also. So from this third chapter also 10 marks bit will coming from the annual examinations. One bit only 10 marks. So maybe sometimes describe the president powers and function it will be repeated previous exams, and sometimes previously it was repeated describe the prime minister powers and functions, and sometimes repeated rarely describe the cabinet minister's powers and functions. So describe the vice president powers and functions, it is only 5 marks question. So and also supreme court powers and functions also only 5 marks bit only. So state high court powers and functions so only 5 marks only. So first of all, here we have the some articles actually from the second chapter onwards. So we already discussed some articles. Without articles from the second year syllabus not begin. Only limited topics only, limited chapters only, not all chapters. Only we have the 4 or 5 chapters with attachment with some articles. So article basic, article wise you can write the annual examinations period. So first of all, today we will discussing describe the president powers and functions, and how is he was elected to as he became a president of India, and what is the qualifications required to president post, and term and period and salary, and how to remove by president his post. So we will discuss it today. But first of all, you can see from the board. So President of India, articles 52 to 62, part 5th. So first of all, you can write the articles 52 to 62 article. It was completely explained to us. President powers and functions only. President powers and functions only. President powers and functions only. So it was explained to us 52 to 62. Only how many articles we have? The only 10 articles. 52 to 62 means 10 articles. 10 articles. It was explained to us clearly. President powers and functions. President powers and functions. And we can see the here incumbent. Incumbent means presently. Presently 14th President of India. Incumbent means presently who is the president of India. So it is called the incumbent. Incumbent means presently 14th President of India, Ramnath Kovind. You can write this Ramnath Kovind. So he was appointed. Appointed as a president of India since 25th July. 25th July 2017. 25th July 2017. So any one person as a appointed as a president of India, so he or she will be completed to their tenure. How many years? 5 years only. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So maybe 2023 so we are elected to new president of India. So every president have the terminal period only length of period only 5 years. Our Indian constitutions it was given to not only president of India, vice president and prime minister and MLAs, MLCs, and also state governor. So even including Grama Sarpanch also from the village level. So anybody when he was elected to from the post, so our Indian constitution given to only 5 years, except Rajya Sabha MPs. Except Rajya Sabha MPs, they have the terminal period 6 years. How many years? 6 years. Notice. And MLCs also have the 6 years only. But remaining all people have the only 5 years only. So because upper house term will be given 6 years by Indian constitution, and lower house only 5 years only period. So appointment means electoral college. So how is elected by president? President is post electoral college. Electoral college means the direct, because from the you can take the USA president elections. There the people will be elected by directly by the president of India. Directly president of USA. But here people not share to electing of the president of India. We are elected by indirect system, not direct system, because our representatives, who is our representatives, just like example, Lok Sabha MPs, notice Lok Sabha MPs and Rajya Sabha MPs, Lok Sabha MPs and Rajya Sabha MPs, and all states MLAs. So these are elected by President of India. These people are elected by the President of India. So it is called the electoral college. It is called the electoral college. And also term length 5 years only. term length only 5 years only. And inaugural holder, so the first president of India, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. So he was appointed since 1952, and so he was completed his tenure 1962. So first president of India, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, he was elected 2 terms. How many terms? 2 terms. 1 term is 5 years, 2 term is 10 years. You can see here, 1952 he was appointed as a first president of India, and 1952. So after he was completed first term, and again he was elected second term also. So you can write inaugural holder Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. And formation in president post was created by our Indian Constitution. So 26 January 1950, 26 January onwards, the present system it was begin in the part of our country. And salary means presently president will be getting a monthly salary 5 lakhs, and other allowances. Example, so the president will be stayed to at New Delhi at Rashtrapati Bhavan. President can be stay to where? Which place? Rashtrapati Bhavan. And so president have the majorly from particularly winter sessions is coming from the Hyderabad Bolaram Rashtrapati office, Rashtrapati Bhavan, and summer season is we went to from the Himachal Pradesh. So basically, president headquarters will be there only Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. So you can write these small informations, and after, so we are discussing today. So what is the president powers and functions? And see here particularly. So topic name, you can write down topic name. So we will discuss it today article wise. First of all, article wise you can write down. So describe the ordinary and emergency powers of President of India. So bit number 1 from the third chapter. It is a 10 marks question. 10 marks. Very important. So describe the ordinary and emergency powers of President of India. So before the beginning of the this topic, so we will discuss in today 52 to 62 article. 52 to 62 article. What is explained to us? After we will discussing to describe the ordinary and emergency powers of President of India. So first of all, article number 52. Article number 52. It was explained to us clearly. Indian President. So Indian President. Article number 52. It was describing to us Indian President. So introduction. This is the only introductions. 52 article it was mentioned definition of the Indian President. And 53 article from the part to 5th. You can see here article number 52. It was begin President of India, and it was end 62. 52 to 62. So you can write the Indian President. 52 to article 62. Part 5th. The Indian President at 52 begin. It was end 62. Only 10 articles. How many articles? We have the only 10 articles. So 52 to 62 part 52. The 52 article it was explained to Indian President definitions. What is that? Indian President definitions. And 53 the executive powers of the president. So actually here I am explaining only articles. Why? Because it is for information. It's knowledge purpose only. So you can write only 50 to 62 part 5th only. You can write the directly president powers and functions. But I am giving this additional information. For you. It's a knowledge purpose. I am giving. So here You note this articles 52 to 60, 52 to 62 articles, 10 articles. What is I explained to us, and so just you can understand that articles only, not necessary to write out the annual examinations. Why? Because here already we have mentioned 52 to 62 10 article. Generally you thinking about what is I explain to us. Generally you are asking, sir, this article informations I want. So that's why I am giving the articles 52, 62 articles total details, and after we will discussing from the present powers and functions. Okay. So 52 article Indian President, 53 article the executive powers of the President, the executive powers of President, and 54 executive powers means the President can appointed by some peoples. So President can appointed his hand to some persons, somebody. It is called the executive powers. We will discuss in next present powers and functions. What is the meaning of executive powers? Don't worry. And 54 article elections of the election of the elections of the president. Elections of the president. Yes, elections of the president. How is elected by president is post. So article number 54 it was given the details. President how is elected, what is the procedure? That article clearly it was explained to us. 54 article and 55 article. So you can write manner of elections of the election of the elections of the president. Elections of the president. Yes. So manner of the elections of the president means, so how is elected? Before I already I explained what is a president was elected by which process, which procedure. It is a electoral college. What is it? What is that? Electoral college. Electoral college. Electoral college means these people they have the member of that electoral college. They have the member of that electoral college. So who is that? Lok Sabha MPs and Rajya Sabha MPs and all state MLAs. These people elected by voting representative system, single voting transferable system, basic. They are elected by President of India. They are choosing and elected by President of India. So manner of elections of the president means you can understand clearly. It is a electoral college. What is that? Electoral college. And 56 article here you write the term of office. 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 Present. Term of office of present. Term of office of present. Yes, you can write it is a. So once time. So term of office of president. What is a once time president? When he or she may be appointed as a president of India. So our Indian Constitution it was given to term of the period only 5 years. Before already I was explained. So because only 5 years. Example you can see president election from USA. Now new president of USA Biden he was elected recently. So term, what is a term? Term means period. Term means period. So there only 4 years. How many years? Only 4 years. What about Indian president? 5 years. Even not only president, Prime Minister of India also and Vice President. And also MLAs, all state MLAs only 5 years. Rajya Sabha MP 6 years. Supreme Court judges 65 years and High Court judges 62 years. So here some states, some countries given to the terminal period 6 years, some 9 years also. But our Indian Constitution it was given only term of the period anybody from the political level only 5 years only. How many years only? 5 years only. So term of office of the president means only 5 years only. And next article 57 article you can write now 57 article eligibility of re-elections. eligibility, eligibility, eligibility of re-election, re-election, re-election. Yes. So here eligibility of re-elections. Yes. Once time he was completed his tenure, after he will ready to interest into again second time also they are eligible, but only two times. Actual formality is only two times. Example, you can take the Babu Rajendra Prasad. Babu Rajendra Prasad, he was elected as two terms, 1952, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 52 to 57. First term he was completed, and second term 57 to 62. Two terms he was finished. Two terms is 10 years. And also, so first term when he was completed, second time also he will ready go ahead and contest the elections, but only two times only, not three or four, five, six times, because nobody can elect it three or four times. So that's why eligibility of re-elections. So in here you can see 56 article term of office of president will 5 years. Either elections, president elections going very delay. So how many days it will be pending up to president will be looking at their functions, because election will be not there. Already he was completed his tenure. The government of India or elections commissions not ready to conducting of the president elections. So which person is coming newly up to he will maintain. Old president will be looking and his functions only. So but not long period. In case president will be died suddenly, he was demised. So his post will be go to who is going to that place? Vice President of India. Who is that? Vice President of India will be looking his functions. Either there is no Vice President post that time, nobody is not there. Vice President, Supreme Court Chief Justice, Supreme Court Chief Justice taking taking of the charging of the President of India. Only 6 months, not long period. Only 6 months only. After 6 months, definitely Central Elections Commission will be conducting the president elections, because they are only temporary basis appointed, not ruled by long period. So that is why 57 article it was explained to us. What is that? Eligibility of re-elections. Eligibility of re-elections. And also you can see from the here next 58 58 articles we have 58 articles. You can write there is a qualifications qualification qualifications for election as president. So what is the qualification required to president? Who will contest the president elections? What is the qualifications? It was mentioned by our Indian constitution. But our Indian constitutions. So any president, any person can be ready to contest elections. Need of these qualifications. What is that? He or she must be completed 35 years. How many years? 35 years. Those people not completed 35 years, they are not eligible to contest of the present election. Why? Because 35 years. This 35 years it was fixed by our Indian constitutions. Indian constitution, it was mentioned qualifications of the president 35 years. Age process, age qualification 35 years. 35 years above. 35 years above, not below. So 35 years to up to 100 years. So example you can take example presently 14th president of India, Ramnath Kovind. So already he was now 70 years above. So they are eligible. Why? Because 35 years only. 35 years to above, not below 35. So these 58 qualifications for elections of president means he must and should be Indian citizen, and as a good citizen, and his name not recorded any illegal activities in the police stations. So he is well sound person. Well sound person means he is becoming as a well mentally strong. So mad peoples not eligible to contest of the president of India, because and foreigners also not eligible. Foreigner also not eligible to contest of the president of India. So this is a majorly some qualifications. Some qualifications. and because president not elected by direct of the people, he or she will be elected by indirect of the people. What is the indirect of the people? Who is elected by president of India? Tell me. President was elected by electoral college. Before already I told. So president was elected by electoral college. What is that? Electoral college. So 59th article. 59th article. So he can write the conditions of the president office. President office. President office. Yes. So because conditions of the president office means one person, one post only. One person, one post only. One person, not two posts, three, four, or more posts. Because one person, only one post only. So because president is a superior person in the part of the our country. President means what is that? President means just a king only. In case lady will be there, queen. So president head of the country. He was a first citizen of the country. Notice. He was become a recognized first citizen of the country. First citizen of the country, who is that? President of India. Second citizen of the country, Vice President of India. Second citizen of the country, who is that? Vice President of India. So he was an honorable person. So that's why President is a, there is no after president post, after there is no any other posts. President is a superior post. It is a good post. He was a ruler of this country. So that's why there is no other post after the president post. So that's why conditions of the president office means, so he can write here. So president already who will elected as a president of India, before he was a government employee is there. So he's not working as a two duties. As one side president of India, another side government job. Because first of all, when he was elected as a president of India, after he can send government post. What is he is looking, and he has one government post by his own. So resign the post. He first master should resign the post. After he will take the only president post only, because one person only one post only, not two posts or three posts. That is a 59th article. And 60 article. 60 article, oath or affirmations by the president. Here, my dear boys and girls, first of all, you can listen what I'm saying, what I'm telling now. So, because we have some articles, maximum I'm trying to give in all the articles with details, because article is important to our subject. Just like without oxygen, obviously not we are living. Same thing, article is very important, and article linked with our subject. Only few chapters only. This, I think it's only 4 or 5 lessons only. So remaining lessons we have the generally. So only historical years only we have from the Telangana topics. So remaining general matter will be there. So here maximum you can write 2021 annual examinations. If necessary, you can write some articles from the examinations moments, and which questions will be asking there from the long answers particularly, and 5 marks. So if the necessary to there required some articles, don't forget you can write that articles. So definitely you are getting some good marks from the annual examinations, because last year our seniors, so they got civics subject 97 marks above. So that's why articles is important to our subjects. So you don't worry and don't confuse the articles. Maximum you can write article wise matter. So definitely examiner giving the good marks from the 2021 annual examinations. So that's why I'm giving this all articles with the details. So maximum you can write this article from your rough notebook, and when you have some leisure, so you can read this article. So you can do by heart this article also. if the necessary, you can write, because already previous topics from the second chapter we have completed. Fundamental rights 12 to 35 article part 2 third, and also we have completed DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy 36 to 51. So that also very important part to fourth, and 51A fundamental duties. It was added by lately our Indian Constitution since 1976 42 amendments. So we have the presently fundamental duties 11 duties. So these all topics we have already discussed and completed yesterday. So that's why. So article wise, which topic will be there, you can write. Of course, we have the first chapter, there is no any articles, because you don't write. There is no any article, you don't write. Either article will be there, you can write. That's all. What I am saying, article will be there, you can write. Must and should. There is no any article from the topic, you don't worry, you don't write that articles. Okay. So that's why both are affirmations by the president. Yes. So president, when he will taking he will taking as a full charge of the president, as a president of India. So oath ceremony will be going in the President Bhavan or Rashtrapati Bhavan or Supreme Court, at maximum 100%. The oath ceremony will be conducted by Rashtrapati Bhavan only. So Supreme Court Chief Justice will be doing this process totally in front of Supreme Court Chief Justice. President of India, who is a new president appointed his post. So he will be taken the oath ceremony. That is a 60 article. And last article, you can write the article number last 60. Sorry, article 60 we have completed. 61 procedure for impeachment of the president. So 61 article, procedure for impeachment of the president. Okay. So here president how is removed by his post? Impeachment means remove. How is removed by president his post? Because it was removed by parliament only. Parliament will be removed by president post. It is called the impeachment formula, impeachment system. It is a 61 article. It was explained. How is removed by president his post? Impeachment method. And last article 62 article. 62 article, you can see the time of holding an election to fill a vacancy in the office of the president. Actually, so every president once time he was elected 5 years only. So after when they have completed their term, within term of period, we can conduct new elections, president elections. Either not completed the process or delay will be there. So within 6 months, conducted by president elections. So this is a articles. So 52 to 62 article, part 5th, it was explained to us. Indian presidents. Thank you. One and all.